Hello, 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 everyone! Welcome to level number 4! Wow, yes, number 4!
What? What the fuck?
Your favorite English program with Anita. My name is Ana Mier, but people call me Anita. I am 22 years old. I am from Barranquilla, Colombia, and I am currently living in the city. Since I was in my mother's womb until today, I live and enjoy music. I am passionate about serving God and people. Some things that characterizes me is to do things because I want to do it. When I say I don't want to do it, it's because I don't want to do it. Another thing that I love food and cooking. Yes, cooking. Oof. That is one of my favorite areas because my grandmother was a chef, and only two granddaughters were the one inherited that love for cooking. I love mushroom pastas with cream of mushroom salt and parmesan cheese. Oof, that's the glory. That is one of my favorite foods. If you start asking me what others, I am not finished. Or I'm not done. I am not done. One moment please. But some things I also love madly. Madly is others people food. I meant that's another level. Yes, that's another level. Woof. Every thief I love food, but as we all know that. That's why you have to take care of yourself and hate guilt. From time to time, a salvajada latina. That's all, friends. See you in our next master here at English with Anita. Bye, people.